All right, we got my 2003 here today with the EX21 17 head and just a plain dry muffler that I've been using on it for years. So we're going to give this a test and get some baseline. I wish I'd have done this in my 2011, but we're going to do it today for this, and then we'll know the exact difference between old muffler and new muffler. So here we go. Alright, there's our base for the dry muffler, and we'll be back with the new muffler. See how loud that is. Right, here we are back at the river. New muffler is on, and let's see what it does. So here we go. Really not much difference in sound. I mean, it's got a little bit more of a note to it, but it's not uncomfortable. Doesn't really feel much different than the other one. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Didn't lose any RPM. I mean, the speeds, RPMs, everything was the same there. Same performance. So nothing lost and lots gained when it comes to longevity. And it's a smaller size, and I think it's going to work out really good. It's just a really rugged, beefy muffler, no more of that thin lawnmower muffler construction. So people that are using these things, storing them outside, and then encounter more of a rust potential, ain't going to have that problem with these. So I think I'm going to like it. I'm going to set both of mine up, finish them off, and leave them on there. I'm going to convert over. Yeah, cool. All right, well, muffler testing.